Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Monetology. Our topic for today is about Lenny Robredo. I heard that Lenny Robredo is unfortunately not running for president for the next election in the Philippines, and it sucks. I would say it sucks because we know how credible she is to run for the president, and she is the best contender against Sara Duterte. So what is our reaction, guys? So of course we are devastated, and although there are some politicians who also are credible to run for the presidency, like let's say Riza Hontiveros or Sonny Trillanes, although they are not as popular as Lenny, and because for the past many years these two politicians, Riza and Sonny Trillanes, were bombarded with so many negatives and fake news. So that's why a lot of BBM, like BBM and DDS followers hated this two politician, although it's not true and it's like a fake news, but we cannot control their mind. Their minds are set that they are awful and they are like this and like that. Fake news. What are the Filipino plans if Lenny will not run for president for next election? Are we uh, are we just going to watch and be quiet, or do we plan to voice out our willingness and encouragement to Lenny, to encourage Lenny to run? Or I don't know, maybe we're just gonna keep silent. But anyway, actually, don't lose hope. We don't know, maybe this is a political strategy in Lenny's camp. We don't know, or maybe it's true that she was disappointed last time, and probably it's really not. We don't know how she felt last time when we all think that she's gonna win, and all of a sudden she lost. It's not easy to accept that, the fact that we all know that she won the last election, but of course, do you know that how bad politics in the Philippines? They will do anything just to win. Even they cheat, and they both buying, they manipulate the SD card. So that's what happened. So I don't know what to say anymore, but let's just pray that Lenny will wake up her mind, and may the Lord guide her. Um, that one day maybe she'll realize the Filipino people really needs her for our, to empower our country, and lift us from poverty, and no, nothing is impossible to God, guys. So don't lose hope, and hopefully she changed her mind. Of course, it's very frustrating, no. So I read a lot of comments, and they were really very frustrated. A lot of Filipinos and followers of Lenny Robredo, and probably the DDS, and Sara Duterte's followers are really like marrying, and they are very happy that uh, they think that Sara is just sure win already for the next election. But I doubt it. God has always, listen to this, guys. God has always His way, to bring us to the better situation. You see, look what happened to Marcos and Duterte. They were team, and then all of a sudden they fight, and now who put Rodrigo Duterte to jail? It's BBM. So that's how God works. They sometimes he put like evil to evil, so that they will fight each other, and now BBM looks better. I mean, I don't want to call him evil, but what I'm just saying is just my example of God's work, that sometimes, He's working in a mysterious way. That's what I wanna say. You see, that BBM's Marcos the Junior, really did a great job to that, because we all know how strong is the Duterte cult. Rodrigo Duterte is not easy to put in jail. We know all about, we all know about that. But BBM did it well, so congratulations to him, and I hope that will support Lenny Robredo, just in case she decided to run for the president and change her mind. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.